Boxes of unsorted photos collecting dust. I'm going to show you my simple 3-pile system that helps families organize decades of memories into just 2 days. And you don't need any fancy equipment. If you've ever opened a box of old photos, felt your heart swell, and then immediately closed the box again, you're not alone. People avoid organizing photos because, well, many reasons. There are too many. It feels emotionally heavy. You're afraid of doing it wrong. You don't know where to start. But here's the truth. You don't need to organize perfectly. You just need to organize forward. This weekend system is designed to get you unstuck and moving without the burnout. You only need a clear table or floor space, 3 empty boxes, bags, or piles, a pencil or artistry pen, sticky notes or scrap paper. That's it. No scanner, no software, no perfection. The 3-pile method is it. Every photo goes into one of these 3 piles. Pile 1, the definite keepers. Pile 2, this is the maybe pile. And 3, this is the toss it bin. Pile 1, the definite keepers. So these are the photos that clearly matter. Close family and loved ones, big milestones, births, weddings, graduations, military service photos, anything with emotional meaning, photos that have historical or cultural value to you. If you'd be sad to lose it, it goes in here, the keeper pile. Don't overthink it. Your gut usually knows. Pile 2, this is the maybe pile. This is for people you can't identify, events you don't remember, photos with no dates or context, basically anything you're unsure about. This pile is powerful because it removes the pressure. You don't have to decide everything right now, or even later, depending upon how you like to go about this. Pile 3, this is the toss pile. This pile is for blurry or damaged photos, duplicates, photos of strangers, random scenery with no meaning, accidental shots, whatever else that you just simply don't need. Letting go doesn't erase the story. It makes room for the photos that actually tell your story. So you're not throwing away memories or people. You're curating them. Day 1, sort everything into the 3 piles. No labeling anything yet, just sort day. Day 2, first we're going to focus on pile 1, adding simple labels. Forget about the scanning priorities right now. And if you get tired, just stop. Now, when you don't know the year, look for clues. Clothing, styles, haircuts, shape of glasses, age of cars in the background sometimes even, home decor, the photo size sometime, and the finish. Even writing an early decade, like early 1980s, is better than nothing. As you're going through pile 1, on the back of those keepers, in pencil or in number 2 pencil, or your artistry pen, which is India ink, write who's in the photo, where it was taken, the approximate year, and anything else you can remember about the story. For example, Mom and Dad, Lake Tahoe, around 1975. If you don't know everything, that's fine. Write what you do know. When you're saving these print photos, for the ones that are absolute keepers, make sure you're using archival boxes. Acid-free, lignin-free, PAT tested. If you're using albums, use acid-free sleeves. Make sure that you're storing in a cool, dry place. Keep them away from basements and attics if possible. This will protect your story for the future. Once your photos are organized, they're ready to become something meaningful. I help families to turn their photos into beautiful legacy photo books and tell the story behind the pictures. I also teach digital storytelling workshops where you learn how to combine photos with recorded stories, as well as guided autobiography classes where you can write up your stories. Your memories deserve more than a box in the closet. They deserve to be seen, shared, and remembered. You'll find links in the description to learn more, and I'll see you in the next video.